Hello cuties. How many alphabet are here? Yes, there are 26 letters. Each letter has different sound. What is the name of this letter? Yes, this letter is A. Do you know what is the sound of letter A? Letter A has a sound A. A. Now I tell you a few examples of A sound words. A, apple. A, apple. A, ant. A, ant. A, aeroplane. A, aeroplane. A, ambulance. A, ambulance. A, arrow. A, arrow. Now I am going to teach you about two A sound words. What is this? Yes, this is a cap. Do you know what is the sound of this word? Yes, A sound. Cap. Cap. What is this? Yes, this is a mat. Mat. What is the sound of this word? Yes, A sound. Mat. Mat. Now we are going to see how to write these words in our notebooks. A sound words. Cap, mat. Cap, cap. C A P. Cap. C A P. Cap. Children, while writing, don't leave gap in between the letters. Join the letter and write. Next word, mat. M A T. Mat. Mat. M A T. Mat. Dear parents, kindly make your child to write A sound words in their notebooks and click photograph of your child work and send it through class teacher WhatsApp number. Thank you.